Okay, so all of you, good evening. So today concept is, so write a program to check whether the given number is Armstrong or maybe not. So by do not using of your without loop statements. So I'm not using the any loop statements. How can build a Armstrong number? So normally know of your all of as Armstrong number. So Armstrong number means whatever how to give the any one of your number, the number they take each and every digit cube of the sum, every digit cube of the sum, again how to getting of your same number, so that number is Armstrong number. సో ఏదైతే మనం నంబర్ తీసుకుంటామో ఆ నంబర్లో ఉన్నటువంటి డిజిట్స్ ఆఫ్ క్యూబ్ ఆఫ్ వాల్యూస్ని సమ్ చేసినట్టయితే మళ్ళీ మనకేం కావాలంటే సేమ్ నెంబర్ రావాలి. సో ఇలాగన మనకి సేమ్ నెంబర్ వచ్చినట్టయితే ఆ నెంబర్ని ఇక్కడ ఏమంటామంటే ఆర్మ్స్ట్రాంగ్ నంబర్ అంటాం అనమాట. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐ కెన్ కన్సిడరేషన్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ 123. సో నేను ఒక నంబర్ తీసుకున్నాను, దట్ నంబర్ ఈజ్ 123. సో ఈ నెంబర్ని ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ డిజిట్ క్యూబ్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుందంటే దే హ్యావ్ గెటింగ్ ఆఫ్ యువర్, సో 1 cube is 1, so always 1 cube is 1, and 2 cube is 8, and 3 cube is 27. So the resulted sum length అంటే మనకి 36. So 36, 123 both are not equal, so it is not a Armstrong number. So you have to consider one more of number. So that number is a 407. Again getting of your 407. So 407 I can give the number. So this number how to getting of your 4 cube. So 4 cube is nothing but 64, and 0 cube is 0, and moreover 3 cube is 343. 343. So they have to adding the both of your number, they have to getting of your 407. So this is an Armstrong number. So according to this 1 to infinity can getting of your a little bit of or maybe few sum of your Armstrong numbers. So 1, 153, 370, 371, and 407. These 5 numbers only the Armstrong number. So getting of your 1 and 153 and 370 and one more of your 371, and the final one is 407. These are all only for the taking of, yeah, this is the logic of the program. So this program I can write about is Intel IJ tool. So here is I am using the one class, so that class name is Armstrong, and I can use of your the method of your recursive method. So I can define the one the user defined function. So the function name is find. So I can pass in the two parameters a and as well as n. So n is given of your my number, and a is given of your by default as a some value 0. So if you can getting the I can verify by condition n is not equal to 0, they have to enter the loop formation. If n is equal to 0, they have not entering of their block statement. So here is I can find out the remainder, and I can cube of their value, and before that I can add of your a is equal to a plus cube. So that a value by default as 0, they have adding of your any value can adding the 0, that will be getting of your 0, and the value will be decrement n is equal to n by 10, and recursive formation I can return the function that is of your find n to a. So in case I have to move from this one is, and n value will be decremented, and moreover have to verified by the n value. So in case the n value will not be 0, they have to enter, in case n value is 0, they have to come back. So finally if you can getting the return a value, so one return a value formation avutundi. So this value can assigning of your program. So according to this main program I write about is the Armstrong. So it is a one of your constructor, and I can constructor can call from as one of our object, and scanner method I can read the number. So enter a number message, and if you can read the number, that number can assigning of your num, and I can also can define the one local variable that is of your ARM. So ARM I can return the value, so I can call from your find method. So when how to executing of this line, I can go to the top of the program. So the find method how to calling, and that returning of the values, so whatever can returning of your a format, that a can assigning of your ARM. So what is the returning of your ARM, and if you can getting of your num value, the both are will be verified. So arm is equal to num. In the condition is true, it is Armstrong, otherwise it is not for the Armstrong. So if you can test by your program, so how to build a program and how to run this program. So that program how to successfully execution. So they are asking the enter a number format. So I can give the first one is Armstrong number. So whatever I can see the example, that is of your 407. So 407 is Armstrong number. So I can try one more of time. I can check one more of number. So 123. So how to enter? So 123. So it is of not Armstrong number. So I can check one more of your number. So 371. So it is Armstrong number. So this is the code how to implementation of your Armstrong program. So this program I am not using the any loop statements. So just I can using of your recursive method. Okay. Thank you.